half an hour ago from this very boutique.
Oh yes, the Norwegian blue. What's wrong with it?
I'll tell you what's wrong with it, me lad. It's dead. That's what's wrong with it.
No, he's rusted.
Look, I know a dead parrot once, and I am looking at one right now.
No, he's rusted. Remarkable bird, the Norwegian blue. Isn't it? Beautiful plumage.
The plumage don't enter into it. He's still dead.
No. He's rusted.
All right then, if he's resting, I'll wake him up. Hello, Mr. Polly Parrot. Got a lovely fresh cuttlefish for you if you're so.
There, he moved.
No, that was just you hitting the cage.
I never.
Yes, you did.
I never did anything.
Hello, Polly. Testing. liberty of examining that parrot when I got home, and I realized the only reason that it had been sitting on its perch is because it had been nailed there.
Of course I nailed that foot down. If I hadn't nailed him down, he would have nuzzled up to this bars, bang upon with his beak, and boom! Whee!
Boom! Make this bird one fool if you put 4 million volts through it. He's playing the bombs.
No, he's pointing.
He's not pointing. He's passed on. This parrot is no more. He ceased to be. He's